What is the purpose of dark times? You know, in the plant world, the leaves, they collect light and produce energy through photosynthesis, which is the leaves gathering the rays from the sun and basically converting that into energy to help the plant grow, along with, of course, the water and the nutrients that the roots pull in. But it is only during the dark times that the roots of the plant grow. And if you don't have a good root system on your plant, you will not ever have a plant that is strong and healthy, because the root system is, you know, what feeds it. It's what gives it stability, and it's what gives it longevity. Let's translate that into real life. During happy and healthy and pleasant times, we can grow. We can use those things to collect energy and to give us, you know, pleasant memories and pleasant experiences. But it is during the dark times that we actually put down roots, that we learn to cling to something other than that little blip on the radar that's us. And we learn to have faith in something that we can't see. It's in those dark times that we learn how to succeed in all aspects of our life, mentally, physically, spiritually. It's those dark times that are necessary for us to really, truly grow, to learn life's lessons. None of us like dark times, but those are what is needed to make us stronger. I would like to know some of the dark times that you've had that have led to the place where you're at today. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.